Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. And yes, today we got round 2, Free Watch Face Tuesday. I told you I have more coming for you. Now listen, hey, check this out, right? Did you come up with any ideas? What am I whispering for? I'm at work. Hey, check this out, right? Did you come up with any ideas? I need your help. Don't leave me hanging out to dry. We're going to continue to check the comment section down below, see what ideas you guys came up with. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's kick off round 2 of Free Watch Face Tuesday. What's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face. This watch face is nice. And on top of it, it is free. The name of this watch face is called Happy Hour. Yes, I said it. Happy hour. Depending on what time of day it is in your area, it may be happy hour, right? Now, this watch face is nice. And always on mode, it's pretty much going to give you the same look, analog watch face. But when it's on, this thing looks really, really nice considering that it is free. So up at the top, you're going to get May. You're going to come down, get your battery info, and you can make a phone call, and you can go into your music player. You come down, you get the day of the week along with the date. I thought this was a good look. I like how the index looks that's going around the bezel of the watch as well, and you got some extra added lines that really gives it some character. So I'm thinking this is a really good looking watch face, right? And it is interactive. So if I tap on here, I can customize the color to whatever color that I want. You only have a few and all, and I think red looks best. And if I want to go into my music and or make a phone call, it is interactive. I could do that. If I tap on May, I could bring up my calendar, and that's it. This is all the watch face gives you, but this is pretty much all that you need. I mean, you look at the hands are very unique. You got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. This is not a bad watch face to be free. I say give it a shot, download it, it's free. If you don't like it, delete it. All right, you all, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Last but not least, watch face number 2. Now this one is called Gear S3 McQ 6 colors. So this is not an interactive watch face. You're going to get an analog look in the always on mode. And when the watch face is on, it's a decent look. It's a casual watch face that can be worn every day, and you got 6 colors to choose from. You're going to get your day, your date. You're also going to get your battery percentage, and you're going to get a 24-hour digital time right there. So you get the best of both worlds. And the hour and the minute hand looks really nice, along with the fact that you got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that looks nice as well. Here are the different colors you're going to get. I thought it was very nice. I mean, considering that it's a free watch face, it's not bad at all. I'll give you a few colors that you can change into with whatever gear you may be wearing for that day. So I thought it wasn't a bad look, but you hit me in the comment section down below. You let me know if this was worth the download or not. I'm thinking anything free is worth the download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you liked it, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel because I got more videos that's going to drop. And with that, I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.